Okay, so we are now back to Alec Castro, yo boy, number 84. Now let's do this. All right, here we got Alec Castro.
Welcome to my crib, yo. This is the pad, you know, the wolf's lair. Yeah, you know. All right. Well, as you can see, we're in the kitchen already. It's kind of messy. We've been doing some cooking, heavy cooking out here. And right here, you see my boy Michael Aaron Hernandez, number 23. This is my nigga. You know, he's getting turned up with this Pepsi Wild Cherry and whatever the fuck this is. That's what he's doing. He's my nigga though. Look at this knuckle ass there. Go outside. Boy, if you come to my fridge, you see we got all the drinks, homie. We got Daisy Light sour green drink. We got perp green drink. Yeah, that's pretty much what we have. That's my dog right there. Weenie been with me for 8 years. Man, we've been homies since the first grade. Man, we go way back. Alright, let's take you to the dining room. Well, this is the dining room. Pretty messy right now. Fixing it up, you know. Alright, let me tell you the show off wait. This is where all this shit goes down, homie. I'm talking about bitches everywhere, dog. Bitches. Alright, let's go to the living room. These are my homies, Chris, motherfucking Fat Pig, you know what here? That's Daniel, the Beast, Hernandez, number 11. Look at this guy. I love him with all my life.
No, please. Maybe next guy you get some.
He's a bitch. Well, you know, it's my living room.
Now we must pay.
This is my TV. Plasma screen, homie. Back from 2002, something like that. Yeah, that's it.
What the heck?
Come down the hallway. You know, it's about that red and white, homie. Not in the Super Bowl, nigga. Hell yeah. Alright. This is the treadmill. I mean, I get active a couple days, couple hours. Yeah. Alright, this right here. This is my mama's room, but she doesn't own the house though because it's my crib, not her crib. It's my mama's. That's me. This is the restroom where my mama changes. Alright, let's go out of here. Let's get out of here. Don't want to see any of that. Oh, my dog! Kevin, dude, you alright, Kevin? Kevin, dude, are you okay?
Is Weenie okay? Is Weenie okay? I want to see that shit now.
Hey, I have to do cribs, alright? What the fuck?
Oh fuck no, I'm fucked. Oh shit.
Alright, this is where all the magic happens.
Cool.
Watch out, Chris. This is for you.
That's
special.
Move, I'm gonna fuck you up. Stop, Chris. I'm gonna fuck you up.
Anthony, Alpha, my nephew. You know, he's just playing the Xbox. Yeah. Where the magic happens?
Popping all your photos out though.
Come on, it's in the skate video.
Oh. You stuck.
This is where the magic happens. I don't know what's all this role play doing in here. I'm not part of that. Yeah, magic. Look at my walk-in closet. So beautiful. Look at this. Look at my fan art. People love me. I love them too. So.
I'll give you your guns back.
Alright, so this is just
Chris, I ain't playing.
Chris, did you open the door?
Excuse my nigga Chris. Excuse me.
And this is my nigga Chris. MTV Chris came, man.
That's true. I see
Chris
you
came.
open the door. Came in here.
He sprayed Febreze. Cause
I know. How did the door get closed? I bet he was.
Wait, seriously.
yeah, this is my homie Chris. He's working on something right now.
Wait.
This is the crib.
It wasn't me.
Watch me. I just leave some in the streets behind the cameras.
Apologize to my dog for tripping over him.
Oh, I'm sorry about that. I'm just kidding. I'm sorry. That won't happen again, though.
Time to take you to the flips. Here, well, this is the whip right here.
cars and shit.
Buttholes
Look at
and
that.
Fuck out of my house.
Look at that.
I ain't playing. Don't come back.
Well, I'm thank you for coming out to my crib. Well, we'll see. Catch you next time. All right, deuces.